Mars, one of Earth's closest neighbors, has fascinated humans for thousands of years. From ancient astronomers gazing up at its mysterious red glow to modern scientists sending robotic explorers, Mars has always captured our imagination. Its reddish glow in the night sky has sparked endless curiosity and imagination, making people wonder what secrets it might hold. For centuries, Mars has been a symbol of mystery and adventure. Mars is a bit like Earth. Its day is just over 24 hours, and it has seasons too. These similarities make it even more intriguing as we search for places beyond our world that might feel familiar. Scientists believe Mars was once warmer and wetter, with rivers and maybe even oceans. Long ago, its surface may have looked very different, possibly supporting environments where life could have begun. That's why we wonder, could there have been life there? The search for signs of ancient life on Mars is one of the most exciting quests in science today. Mars has inspired countless stories and dreams of adventure, from science fiction tales to real-life missions. It's a planet that invites us to imagine new possibilities. Today, learning about Mars helps us understand how planets form and change over time. By studying its surface and atmosphere, we gain clues about the history of our solar system. Every new discovery from Mars is like opening a new chapter in our cosmic story, revealing more about the universe and our place within it. By studying Mars, we learn more about our own planet and our place in the universe. The more we explore, the more we realize how connected all planets truly are. The quest to uncover Mars's secrets is one of humanity's greatest adventures, and every step brings us closer to understanding the wonders of the cosmos. Mars is famous for its rusty red color caused by iron oxide, just like rust on Earth. This iron oxide dust covers almost the entire planet, giving Mars its iconic hue that can even be seen from millions of miles away. The red planet has fascinated astronomers and dreamers for centuries, sparking countless questions about its history and what secrets it might hold. It's smaller than Earth. If Earth were a basketball, Mars would be a softball. Despite its smaller size, Mars still has a surface area about the same as all the continents on Earth combined, making it a vast world to explore. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and its distance from Earth changes as both orbit. Sometimes Mars is as close as 34 million miles, but at other times it can be over 200 million miles away, making missions to Mars a real challenge. The weather on Mars is extreme. It's much colder than Antarctica, with an average temperature of -80 degrees Fahrenheit. In some places, nighttime temperatures can plunge even lower, making the Martian environment incredibly harsh for life as we know it. Its atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, offering little protection from radiation. The thin air is mostly carbon dioxide, and without a strong magnetic field, Mars is constantly bombarded by cosmic rays and solar winds. Mars is known for massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet for weeks. These storms can block sunlight and change the landscape, making exploration even more difficult. The surface is rugged, with giant volcanoes, deep canyons, and countless craters. Each feature tells a story about the planet's dynamic and sometimes violent geological past. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, towers 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Its base is so wide that it would cover the entire state of Arizona. Valles Marineris, a canyon system, would stretch across the United States if it were on Earth. This canyon is over 2,500 miles long and up to 7 miles deep, dwarfing the Grand Canyon. These features tell the story of Mars's ancient, sometimes violent past. Meteor impacts, volcanic eruptions, and shifting landscapes have shaped the planet over billions of years. Mars's unique landscape makes it a prime target for exploration. Rovers and orbiters are constantly searching for clues about water, past life, and the planet's evolution. Every detail we learn brings us closer to understanding this mysterious world, and each discovery inspires new questions about what lies ahead for humanity on the red planet. For years, telescopes were our only window to Mars, revealing its ice caps and shifting colors. Then came robotic missions. Flybys gave us our first close-up images, and orbiters mapped the planet in detail. Landers touched down to study specific spots, while rovers, our robotic geologists, explored the surface. Rovers analyze rocks, soil, and send back stunning images and data. All this information travels millions of miles via radio signals to Earth's deep space network. It can take many minutes for signals to reach us, but each bit of data helps us piece together Mars's story. These robotic explorers have revolutionized our understanding of the Red Planet. Every mission brings us closer to answering the big questions about Mars. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries on Mars is the strong evidence that liquid water once flowed freely across its surface. This finding has completely changed how we view the Red Planet and its history. Thanks to the work of robotic rovers and orbiters, we've identified dried-up riverbeds, ancient lake beds, and minerals that only form in the presence of water. These features tell us that Mars was once much wetter than it is today. In the present day, most of the Martian water is locked away as ice, either in the planet's polar ice caps or hidden beneath the surface in frozen layers. However, some scientists believe that pockets of liquid water might still exist deep underground, protected from the harsh surface conditions. Mars is also home to the largest volcanoes in the solar system, like Olympus Mons, and enormous canyons such as Valles Marineris, evidence that the planet was once geologically active. These dramatic features suggest that Mars once had a much thicker atmosphere and a warmer, wetter climate, very different from the cold, dry world we see today. Such conditions could have made it possible for simple forms of life, like microbes, to exist in Martian lakes and rivers. While we haven't yet found direct proof of life, every mission to Mars uncovers new clues and deepens our understanding of the planet's potential to support life. Each discovery helps us piece together the story of what Mars was like in the distant past and inspires us to imagine what it could become in the future, perhaps even as a new home for humanity. The ongoing search for water and signs of life continues to drive our exploration, pushing us to learn more with every mission we send to the Red Planet. For decades, humans have dreamed of setting foot on Mars. Astronauts could explore, search for life, and conduct science in ways robots can't. Living on Mars would be a huge challenge. Long journeys, harsh conditions, and no breathable air. We'll need new technology for safe travel, habitats, and life support. Despite the obstacles, the dream of a human mission to Mars inspires innovation worldwide. Future explorers could climb volcanoes, search for water, and maybe even grow food on Mars. Human exploration will teach us more about Mars and ourselves. Mars is waiting for us to take the next giant leap.